Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that's near and dear to my heart, saving money. I'm a big fan of saving money. I think it's important to have a financial cushion in case of emergencies, and it's also a great way to save up for big purchases, like a down payment on a house or a new car. One of the things I've been looking into recently is high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, so they're a great way to grow your money. I recently came across a company called BrioDirect that offers high-yield savings accounts. I was intrigued by their rates, so I decided to do some research and see what they're all about. In this video, I'm going to share my findings about BrioDirect and their savings rates. I'll also talk about some of the other features that BrioDirect offers, such as their mobile app and customer service. So, if you're looking for a high-yield savings account, or if you're just curious about BrioDirect, then stay tuned. What is BrioDirect? BrioDirect is a high-yield savings bank that offers a variety of savings products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. BrioDirect is a member of the FDIC, so your money is safe and secure. They also offer a variety of features that make them a great choice for savers, such as high interest rates, no monthly fees, mobile app, 24/7 customer service. What are the savings rates at BrioDirect? BrioDirect offers a variety of savings rates, depending on the type of account you open. As of the time of writing, the highest interest rate offered by BrioDirect is 4.5% APY. Here are some of the different savings accounts that BrioDirect offers. High Yield Savings Account. This account offers a high interest rate of up to 4.5% APY. There are no monthly fees associated with this account. Money Market Account. This account offers a lower interest rate than the High Yield Savings Account, but it comes with a few additional features, such as check writing privileges and the ability to earn interest on balances up to $250,000. Certificate of Deposit, CDs are a great way to save money for a specific goal. They offer higher interest rates than savings accounts, but your money is locked in for a fixed period of time. How do BrioDirect savings rates compare to other banks? BrioDirect savings rates are competitive with other high-yield savings banks. In fact, as of the time of writing, BrioDirect offers one of the highest interest rates on the market. What are the other features that BrioDirect offers? In addition to their high interest rates, BrioDirect offers a number of other features that make them a great choice for savers. Mobile app. The BrioDirect mobile app makes it easy to manage your money on the go. You can check your balance, transfer money between accounts, and even open a new account from your phone. 24/7 customer service. BrioDirect offers 24/7 customer service, so you can get help whenever you need it. No monthly fees. There are no monthly fees associated with any of BrioDirect's savings accounts. Is BrioDirect a good choice for you? BrioDirect is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-yield savings account with competitive interest rates and a variety of features. They are also a good choice for people who want a bank that is FDIC insured and offers 24/7 customer service. However, BrioDirect may not be the best choice for everyone. If you're looking for a bank that offers a lot of bells and whistles, such as free checking or investment services, then you may want to consider another bank. Overall, I'm very impressed with BrioDirect. They offer a variety of great features, including high interest rates, no monthly fees, and a mobile app. I think they're a great choice for anyone who is looking for a high-yield savings account. If you're interested in learning more about BrioDirect, I encourage you to visit their website or give them a call. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you learn more about BrioDirect and their savings rates. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.